compiling. Compiling means whenever you make any changes in the background, system will always compile the system. So now it is compiling, right? Now it is compiling. Yes. I don't know what was wrong. I think it took some time. Otherwise, you can see now system is able to generate an email. Okay, so if I double click on this, you can see sender, receiver, email template, everything has been captured. Okay, email subject also, if you want to enter, you can enter the email subject. Otherwise, based on this template, system will automatically determine the subject also. Okay, you understood this one now? So depending upon whether your new output determination is active or old output determination is active, you can set up this output determination, and once this output determination is set up, then you can generate this output as soon as you save any quotation. So once the quotation is saved, based on the output, system will be either generating the output immediately, or this output will be shared with your customer, will be sent to your customer as a batch update. Okay, so if I save, and now if I go to display, extras, okay, output, header, and edit, you can see to be output. To be output means this output is ready to be dispatched. If I want to generate the output for this, then there is a program that we need to execute. Okay, there is a batch job program which we need to execute if I want to generate the output. What I can do is, another way is I can go through VA22, okay, to change the quotation, go to extras, output, header, and edit. And from here, you can see there is some error. This error is definitely because, as I told you, this emails and all should be configured properly. Okay, from the technical side. From the functional side, if you are able to determine like this, that is enough. If anything, while sending, maybe you are getting the error while printing, or you are getting the error while emailing, this is something which the technical person has to see, why system is not able to print on a particular printer and why system is not able to generate an email. Okay, you understood how to determine this now using the new output determination?
Yeah, but means until I send an email, like I'm not be able to see the template. Default template, can we see how it will be?
Template, it will not be shown like this. Maybe if you want, I can try to solve this error from the technical side. Let's see the log. See, there is an error message has been generated during the form rendering, error when creating the PDF for this form. You can see this is a technical error. SOAP frame, HTTP send return status code. So till the time this is not, it will not be very clear. You will not be able to see the form properly. Another thing, even if you just want to see the form can be seen from here also. If everything is working fine, the PDF also can be generated. But this PDF, again, you'll be only able to see when this is not an error. So even if I try to get a PDF, you will get a same SOAP error. The SOAP is something technical.
But if our channel is print, then we can see the PDF.
No. Even if you go with the channel as print, if this SOAP configuration is not done, then it will not allow you email, it will not allow you print, it will not allow you anything. From the new output determination point of view, old determination may work. In the old determination, it may show you the print, but in the new determination, this SOAP is not configured properly, you will not be able to see anything. I will try if my basis team can help me here to solve this issue. I'll try to show you how exactly the template looks like. Okay, so main important thing, just remember the determination. In your control, it is a determination. Your output should be determined properly. Okay, once the output is determined, then what is the content and all that can be changed. That even your ABAP team can change according to your requirement, because none of the customer would be happy with the standard output which is provided by SAP. If nothing else, at least the logo and some content definitely needs to be changed, right?
Okay. From the quotation, the standard content will be pushed. That's it, right? Like other than that, cosmetic
Standard content
things.
yes, yes. Standard content like material, quantity, value, this information will definitely flow. But in addition to that, for example, what should be the wording before you like your logo, your wording, like find attached, the quotation, we're happy to provide you any information required, like this, whatever you want to write as a text, that can be configured.
Okay. Now here this is at the detail, and that in the schedule line we'll get the Incoterms and other conditions, right?
Right.
Yes.
Okay, so this output determination will remain same throughout. So currently we have generated the output determination for the quotation. Same way, if I want to generate the output determination for my sales order also, let me take you to the sales orders that we have created. So let's take an example of this sales order. Again, if you go to extras, output, header, and this edit, you will be able to see the output. You can see this output is also generated based on the new output determination. Again, if you want to change it to email, then what you need to do is here the output type is order underscore confirmation. So you have to go to this order underscore confirmation, and you have to tell the system that irrespective of what is my this one, irrespective of what is my order type, I want to determine based on my order confirmation, I want to determine the channel as an email. So even here also you can configure the same thing. You can see everything is same. Output type, role, receiver, channel. Okay, and if I double click even the printer settings, everything is same. Not only here, even if you go to the billing document, which we created previously. Okay, these are the two documents that we created previously. So here also, if you go to, I think, billing document, output to, no, not here. Yeah, go to header and output. So even here also, you can see currently old output determination is active for billing. Okay, currently you can see the old output determination is active for billing. How to see that? How to change it to the new output determination? Same configuration. So you will go to SPRO under the IMG, this cross application components, output control, and maintain the application object type activation. So for billing document, you can see application is inactive, which means old output determination is active. If you want a new output determination, just come here and say application active. System will generate the output based on the new output determination. Transaction code for the old output determination was NACE. NACE. NACE was the transaction code, which will take you to this screen where you can see all the different applications. So for example, you can see V1 is the application for sales. If I double click on V1, or maybe if you open this and go to output types, it will show you the output types related to sales documents. So inquiry, quotation, order confirmation. So NACE is a single transaction which allows you the output determination based on the old functionality. For the new functionality, the single transaction is transaction OPD. It stands for output parameter determination. Okay, any questions?
Hello. Sir, there is also item over there. When we go for the quotation or sales order
Mm-hmm.
or in output data output, sir. So what is this one?
So normally when you send the output is sent at the header level. But SAP provides the functionality where you can send the line level output also. For example, if you have 5 different lines and you want to send the output only for one line, okay, you don't want to include other lines in the quotation that you are sending to the customer. In that case, you can go with the line items also. So for example, if you go to output, instead of header, if you want to generate the output for the item, you will be able to select here. Okay, but normally this is not required. Normally one quotation we are creating, if there are multiple lines, we go with the header quotation itself.
Okay, sir.
In that case, like items will not be shown in the quotation at all.
No. If you are going for header, system will definitely include the items. No items. If you want to selective items, if you want to send, then you can send it
Oh,
item wise.
okay, understood.
Right. If you are sending at the header level, it will automatically include all the items which are
All
part
the
of the quotation.
right, understood.
Normally, we don't send at the item level. 99% of the times, it would be at the header level itself. Okay, so maybe we can close today because I have another session in next few minutes. So what we are going to do next is we will be talking about the pricing determination. In our next session, we will understand how the pricing procedure works in SAP. Okay, and then availability check. Okay, so there are 3 4 important topics which we'll try to cover in next few weeks. One is the pricing determination. Second is the availability check, material availability check. Third is the credit management. Okay, so these are the few topics that we will discuss, and then we will come to the different scenarios under the sales cycle. So how to process the sales order for the cash sales, the sales that you are making cash, rush order. There are multiple types of intercompany. How are you going to create the sales order for the intercompany sales? So those are 3 4 scenarios that we will understand, which can be carried out in the sales process.
The contractuals, consignments,
Yes,
credits, all will be handled, right? Yeah.
right. Those are the scenarios, different scenarios. Okay, thank you all then. See you in the next
Thank you.
class. We'll be
Thank
directly
you.
meeting on Saturday. Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Saturday, right? Next Saturday.
Yes.